Hello friends, welcome back to my channel Quest for Knowledge. Today I have brought political science blueprint as per the reduced syllabus for the year 2020 to 2021. So let's get started from the first chapter, Origin and Growth of Indian Political System. 1 mark will be asked twice. Okay. 2-mark question will not be asked, and 5-mark question will be asked twice, and 10-mark question will be asked once. So the total questions is allotted 5 and total marks is 22. And from the second chapter, 1 mark will be asked thrice, 2-mark question will be asked once, and 5-mark question will be asked twice, and 10-mark question will be asked once. So 7 type of question will be asked, and overall we will be able to obtain 25 marks from the second chapter. And from the third chapter, that is administrative machinery in India, 1 mark 1, 2-mark question will be asked 1, 5-mark question will be asked thrice, and no 10-mark question. So overall question will be 5, and we will be able to get 18 marks. After that, social movement and their political implication. In this 1-mark question will be asked thrice, 2-mark question will be asked twice, and 5-mark question will be asked once, and 10-mark question will be asked once. And so that overall will have 7 questions, and 22 marks we can be able to obtain from this 4th chapter. 5th chapter is very important. Why? Because no 1 mark will be asked, but 2 marks will be asked 4 times. 4 of the question will be coming from for the 2 marks, and 5 marks question will be asked 3. Okay, I mean 3 5-mark question will be asked in the question paper, and 1 10-mark. It means overall 33 marks we can be able to obtain from this chapter, that is nation building and challenges to Indian democracy. So if you study like this 2 chapter, you will be able to write or attend 2 10 marks, 5 5 marks, and 5 2 marks, like that. So after that, let's move on with the 6th chapter. Overall 1 2 mark will be asked, 1 5 mark will be asked, so 7 marks we can get from this chapter. Contemporary political trends. In this 1 mark will be asked, no 2 mark, 5 mark will be asked twice, no 10 mark. So overall number of question is allotted 3, and total mark we can get is 11. 8th chapter is completely deleted. Okay, so after that, 9th is India's foreign policy. In that, no 1 mark, 2 mark will be asked 3, 3 2s are 6. So overall 144 marks. Overall 144 marks is in that. 1 mark is 10, 2 mark is 24, 5 mark is 70, and 10 mark is 40. So overall is, and 40 type of question will be asked, and overall mark is 144. So in out of 40 question we need to answer 32 questions. Okay, and from the chapter number 7 only we have 7.1, 7.2, 7.3. These chapters are retained and rest is deleted. In chapter number 6, 6.1 and 6.2 is retained and rest is deleted. And from chapter number 9, 9.1 and 9.2 is retained and rest is deleted. So let's go through with the paper pattern. So first you will get 1 mark. So 1 mark will be 10, no option will be given, you have to attend all the 1 mark. And after that, second main will be answer 2 mark. In that you have to write any 10, 12 question will be asked, in that you have to write any 10. After 1 mark and 2 mark, 5 mark. So in the question will be given 12, in that we have to write any 8, so 8 5s are 40. Okay, after that answer any 2 out of 4, that is 10 mark, and after that write any 2 out of 4, that is 5 mark. So this main is specially general only, so let's understand what all the question will be asked for this one. Okay, it is mostly general. So the question is role of youth in the control of COVID-19. Write a short note on all India services. state any political leader, corruption as menace to democracy, and it has been asked twice, even in the model paper 1 and even in the model paper 2 of the newly released by the Department of Karnataka pre-university education. This has been asked twice, so I think this is very important. This is very important as the situation is going on, so this is very important. And about democracy, corruption is very important. Even you have to write national leaders of India and list out the state and union territories. So this I hope, I predict this 1 2 3 4 5 questions is very important in this out of 7. So if you prepare with this, democracy, and like national leader or political leader, both is same only. So this 3 question if you prepare, that would be sufficient, I hope so. And if you found this video helpful, do like, share, subscribe, and even comment, and hit the bell icon so that you could get the latest notification of my channel, of my latest videos. Thank you very much.